So check us out. We're in Sheffield, the birthplace of stainless steel.
Where they filmed the full Monty.
It is, isn't it? What are you getting at, Colin? Look, it even says it on the sign. So one of our customers came to us and said, look, I want an exhaust for my BMW M135. It's an F40, it's brand new to the market 2020 car. There's not much choice out there. What can you do?
So we got in touch with Jake from Cobra. He told us he's got a development program. It's a car they need, it's on the list, bring it down, sort it out.
So 2 weeks ago, me and Colin brought the BMW M135 down to Cobra Sport UK in Sheffield so they could do their full development program on it and they could make an exhaust for this car. Here we are back down at Cobra Sport UK 2 weeks later to pick up the car. The job is done. So Jake, you've had this car now, this mint BMW M135 for nearly 2 weeks now. Tell us what you've done with it.
In terms of exhaust, Nick, done everything. Everything your customers could possibly ever need.
He is a picky one as well, mind.
So whether you wanting to go racing, off-road, get a full turbo back system, all 3-inch, no reductions at any stage in our system. So if you're looking for big power, it can certainly be achieved. On this particular model, what we have got is just the GPF back Venom system.
Yeah.
So it does actually delete your rear box, and it's making a rather nice sound. Say the GPF's still on there. Another beauty of the system, what we've managed to do is you can interchange everything. So if you want to get a GPF back for now, keep it quiet, use your car as your daily for a little while, but in 6 months time you think, oh, I need a bit more out of this and want big power, you can switch straight up, get your downpipes on, and then we can make it a lot more raucous for you.
That's cool, because it adds that custom level to
an off-the-shelf
product, doesn't it?
Of course.
It's awesome.
That's the beauty. As you know, with us, everything's made to a degree of quality. Everything's hand TIG welded, as you're aware.
Oh yeah, they look awesome as well. I've got some shots underneath the car. You'll see the welding. It's dream welding, really.
All the bends, mandrel bends, all done by machine. So you do know you're not having any blockages or anything like that. You've got a true flow through of your exhaust system.
Yeah. Oh, it's a proper job. It really is a proper job. And the facility that they have here is just out of this world. How awesome does that sound? Absolutely mint. So what product is it that you fitted to this car?
Essentially, all we've got in here is the GPF back Venom system. So everything in front of your GPF left completely standard in stock. It's not affecting anything there.
So it doesn't affect emissions, it doesn't affect the law, so to speak?
No, you can use it anywhere. You're going to fly straight through an MOT. Nothing's affected in terms of your emissions, which is the beauty of this system. From there, you've got a lot of pipework and your back box delete. That's the beauty of the Venom. Take the back box out, you do get a lot better sound.
Yeah.
Obviously, on our older systems and cars without GPF models, you tend to find the Venom is raucous. However, with the GPF on this, sounds brilliant.
It's not too bad.
It's a nice middle balance.
It's got that really nice Cobra burble to it. It's just immense.
Our signature sound, Nick.
It is.
What more can I tell you
I have to say, we obviously sell these exhausts. We love them. Everyone that will fit it has just been amazing. It really has. So it's no surprise that this has ended up really cool. Now all the information for Cobra Sport exhaust, the exact system and all the options is available on the Cobra Sport UK website. I'll put that in the description. And obviously if you're going to buy one, I mean, buy them off us, you know what I mean? How amazing. Look at the security bars on the windows. It's exhausts. So what an experience for us to bring this mint BMW M135 down to get one of your fantastic exhausts.
And I'll be honest, Nick, it's probably as exciting for us as it is for you and your customer. When Colin let me know that you had a guy interested in an exhaust, I checked our development list and sure enough, it's pretty much at the top of the list. So to get it down here and be able to do all the work we have on it, it's been a good experience for us, it probably has for you guys.
Yeah, cool man, really, really good. And the best bit is that in the end, it sounds awesome. Right, that's it, enough messing around for one day. Let's get this car back to a customer.
I've got to go back to work.
I know, we've got to go back to work, what a nightmare, but what a treat. Thanks very much for having me, Jake and Nick at Cobra. Absolutely brilliant. Let's get home. Oh, what a car, man.
It's lush, isn't it?
Isn't it? It's
Little
really
details in that spawn, really nice.
I think he's going to be so happy with this. If he's not happy with this, honestly.
It just sounds amazing, doesn't it? It does. I mean, I've got the old exhaust in the back now, haven't we? The seats are down, and
yeah.
we can hear it a bit more, to be fair. It's lush.
It's meant though. Oh, listen to this.
Go on.
There's like a massive inrush of air, isn't it? You can hear
It's like someone blown through a straw or something.
It is,
Like,
I'm not surprised they call this the Venom, because it's like...
it's really good, yeah. Neat back box at all, it's spot on.
Really mint. He's going to be so happy with this.
On my way back.
Right, what a drive back from Sheffield that was. Cool car that, really good. But obviously we're very professional, so we drove it nice and slow. It's not our car, it's a customer car, Joe. So he's coming in a minute, so we'll just get it ready. Right, so come on then, Joe. Time to have a look. What do you think, first of all?
Well, it's definitely a massive difference. Looks like a completely different car.
They're huge, them, aren't they? I mean, obviously Joe chose this, by the way. He wasn't like, you know, forced on anything. This was his choice of exhaust.
And it looks like it probably should have been on the car to start with as well.
It does, doesn't it?
Looks aggressive like the car should.
It really fills that. And it's got that Focus RS M type of car. Viciousness at the back, hasn't it?
It definitely looks more angry, which is all I wanted. So,
it's cool.
Yeah.
Listen to this, mate. Listen to this. How awesome is that?
yeah, the video didn't do it justice.
It didn't, did it?
Wow.
It's absolutely class.
That is a detached house waiting to happen.
It isn't. We were so impressed. I mean, it's the way they get that grumble in it. The tone.
That's class. That sounds better than an M2 and that as well. I would say even stock. Yeah, definitely. If it wasn't a head turner before, it definitely is now.
It is, man. Yeah. If this was my car, I'd be so impressed. So I'm just so over the moon for you. It's been absolutely brilliant to be involved with Cobra on this. To do this for Joe, really thank you for giving me your car and letting me do this. Yeah, he's going to have some fun in this one.
But they look quite slash cut anyway, really, aren't they?
Yeah,
pretty much.
They kind of follow that. Down that way, isn't it? It's nice.
There he goes.
Happy man.
Happy customer.
Happy man.
What a laugh, man. What
Good
a
experience.
Yeah, really good.
Yeah.
Really good experience. Really awesome to go down to Cobra and meet Jake and Nick.
Learn a little bit.
Yeah, definitely. And be part of their little development program, which is really cool.
Yeah, no, I'm impressed.
Awesome. And yeah, hope you enjoyed that video as much as we did doing it. It's just something different, isn't it?
Just yeah, something you don't normally get to do. It was a little bit of behind the scenes stuff.
Oh yeah, that was really good.
Just a privileged place to be, really, isn't
Definitely,
it?
and hopefully we'll get to do some more. So if you're a manufacturer and you'd like me to come, then give it a shout. We're open for anything, honest. But yeah, I think that'll do.
Nearly anything.
Yeah. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe. If you are interested in any Cobra products, then obviously go and check the Cobra website. Or if you'd like to purchase them, I don't want to push the sales too much, but get in touch with us. We'll sort you out, honest. We'll do the good job. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.